Now we will move on to the Teams tab. As you can see here, there are multiple colored blocks. These blocks represent an individual team. Below each team are the channels that it contains. For example, each team will have a general channel. If you don't see any channels below them, you can just click on the team name and the channels below will pop up. If you would like to hide a channel, hover over the channel you want to hide, click on the three dots to the right of it, and click Hide. If you would like to unhide it, go ahead and just click over the hidden channels, click the right channel you want to show again, and then click Show. Within a channel, there are several different pages as shown at the top of the page. There are posts, files, and a wiki, but in this case called Help Wiki. Also on the right side, there is a Members tab, which represent any person who is a part of that channel. Within the Files tab, you can access any files shared within that particular channel. Here we can access a pre-existing file, such as this Word document, the Help Wiki. If we click on it, it'll automatically open in our default app, in my case, a browser, and we can see the document here. What is great about files shared within the channels is that they are live documents, meaning that anyone can collaborate on them, given the correct permissions, and it is automatically saved into that particular file's place. As shown here, where the modified will change into a few seconds ago. To create a new post within a channel, go to the bottom of the conversation and look for the big purple button that says New Conversation. Once you click on it, a text box will appear where you can create your post, and once you are done, you can press Send at the bottom right. The Files tab within a channel works pretty closely as File Explorer within Windows. You can create a new file by clicking the New button and selecting a different option from the drop-down menu. You can create a folder or different file types, such as a Word document or an Excel workbook. By hovering a particular file and clicking the three dots at the end of it, we can have many different options on what to do with that. For example, we can delete it by pressing Delete. If we want to select a particular file, if we hover over it and click the circle to the left of it, we can select it. Also, we can click any empty space next to that particular document as well to select it. We can also upload pre-existing files by clicking the Upload button to the right of the New button. All we do is click it, select the file type, and then follow the prompts to find the exact file we would like to upload. To view our files in a different perspective, we can click the All Documents at the right side of the screen and choose our different formatting. For example, this formatting of tiles shows them as blocks instead of just titles. If you have a lot of files within your channel, you can click the Filter button and use the different options to filter through all of the documents within your channel. The last tab within a team is the Wiki, in this case the Help Wiki. A wiki is practically a book in this case. There are multiple pages, each having different sections, and then each section having its own content. If we scroll all the way to the bottom, we can hover over the blank space and click the plus sign to create a new section. We can create a section name by typing in something in the untitled section part, and then underneath it, we can type in whatever content we want. In order to delete that particular section, all we have to do is click the three dots to the right of that section and go ahead and press Discard and then Delete. To create a new page within the wiki, all we have to do is press the New Page button at the bottom left of the screen. There you can create a new name for the page, and then you can add as many sections as you want by clicking the plus sign below the first section. If we go back to the first page, we can see that there's many different sections on the left side. We can easily navigate through the whole page by clicking each section title. If we want to move up or move down the section, we can click the three dots next to the section name and click the corresponding action.